PS Readline is a powerful module that transforms the way you interact with PowerShell. It brings modern command line editing features that make your PowerShell experience more efficient, intuitive, and visually appealing. In this video, we'll explore how PS Readline enhances your workflow through intelligent features like syntax highlighting, predictive completions, and advanced history management. Let's dive in and discover how this module can revolutionize your PowerShell sessions. PS Readline is a PowerShell module that significantly enhances the command line editing experience. Think of it as an upgrade layer that sits on top of your standard PowerShell console. It provides features like syntax highlighting, which colors your commands as you type, intelligent auto-completion that predicts what you want to type next, and advanced history management that makes finding previous commands incredibly easy. This module comes pre-installed with modern versions of PowerShell, which means you're likely already using it without even realizing it. It's designed to make your command line work faster, more accurate, and more enjoyable. One of the most visible features of PS Readline is syntax highlighting. As you type commands, PS Readline provides instant visual feedback through color coding. Valid commands that PowerShell recognizes turn green, giving you confidence that you've typed them correctly. If you make a mistake or type an invalid command, it appears in red, alerting you to the error before you even press enter. Parameters, strings, and operators each get their own distinct colors, making your commands easier to read and understand at a glance. This immediate visual validation helps you catch typos and mistakes in real time, significantly reducing errors and improving your productivity. It's like having a spell checker for your PowerShell commands. Predictive IntelliSense is an artificial intelligence-powered feature that learns from your command history and provides smart suggestions as you type. It analyzes patterns in the commands you frequently use and predicts what you're likely to type next based on your current context. As you start typing, you'll see ghost text appearing that suggests the rest of the command. If the suggestion is correct, simply press the right arrow key to accept it. Over time, the predictions become more accurate as the system learns your habits and preferences. This feature dramatically speeds up command entry, especially for long or repetitive commands, and helps you work more efficiently by reducing the amount of typing required. PS Readline provides powerful keyboard shortcuts for searching through your command history. Pressing Ctrl+R activates reverse history search, which lets you type a few characters and instantly find matching commands from your past sessions. The F8 key searches your history by prefix, showing only commands that start with what you've already typed. The up and down arrow keys let you navigate through your command history one item at a time, which is useful for finding recent commands. And if you need to clear your command history for privacy or cleanliness, Alt+F7 does exactly that. These shortcuts make it incredibly easy to recall and reuse commands without having to retype them, saving you valuable time and effort. PS Readline takes tab completion to the next level with several advanced features. Menu Complete shows all possible completions in a visual menu format, making it easy to see all your options at once. You can cycle through these options using the arrow keys, selecting exactly what you need without repeatedly pressing tab. The completion system is context-aware, meaning it intelligently filters suggestions based on what you're currently typing and where you are in the command. One particularly helpful feature is inline hints, which display ghost text showing a preview of the suggestion before you accept it. This enhanced tab completion makes discovering commands and parameters much easier, especially when you're not quite sure of the exact syntax you need. PS Readline is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your preferences. You can set your edit mode to either Emacs or Vi-style key bindings, depending on which text editor you're most comfortable with. The Set-PS Readline option command with the edit mode parameter lets you make this change. You can also change the prediction view style between inline and list view using the prediction view style parameter. If you want to customize the colors used for syntax highlighting, you can do that too. For example, You can set commands to display in green and parameters in cyan by passing a hash table to the color's parameter. These customization options ensure that PS Readline works exactly the way you want it to, matching your workflow and visual preferences. Let's recap what we've learned about PS Readline. First, PS Readline fundamentally transforms PowerShell into a modern, user-friendly command line experience with features you'd expect from contemporary development tools. Second, syntax highlighting provides instant visual feedback, helping you catch errors before executing commands and making your code easier to read. Third, predictive IntelliSense learns from your patterns and habits, suggesting commands to dramatically speed up your workflow. Fourth, advanced history search features make finding and reusing previous commands effortless, with multiple keyboard shortcuts for different search methods. And finally, extensive customization options let you tailor every aspect of the experience to match your preferences and working style. By mastering PS Readline, you'll work faster, make fewer mistakes, and enjoy a much more pleasant PowerShell experience overall.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.